Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing when a PSVR 2 turns off automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. In PSVR settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom to Related Settings. Here you will see the setting called Set Time until your PlayStation VR turns off. Select that. You can then choose the time frame you would like, or you can set it to never turn off on its own. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.